So one use of the equation of a line I've already spoken about when I introduced it in the first video where I was telling you how to use the y minus y1 is the equation of the line can be used to check if a point is on a line. So I introduced it with a line with all these points 0, 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1, etc. And I said the equation of that line will be x plus y equals 5, because if you add the x and y coordinate in any point on this line, it adds to 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So if you know the equation of a line and you're asked to check if a point is on that line, you substitute the point in. So if I was asked to check is 4, 1 on that line, I put 4, 1 in for x. I put 4 in for x, I put 1 in for y. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, so that's on the line. Okay, if I was asked to check is the point 4, 3 on that line, well 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. It's not equal to 5, so that's not on the line. So if you sub a point in for x and y and you get 5 equals 5, it's on the line. If you get anything else equals 5, it's not on the line. Alright, so just 3 examples I'll run through really quickly. Is 3, 2 on the line 2x plus y equals 8? So if I put 3 in for x, 2 in for y, and I get 8 equals 8, it's on the line. So let's do that. So 2x plus y. Instead of x, I'm going to sub in 3. So 2 times 3 plus, instead of y, I'm going to sub in 2. 2 times 3, 6, plus 2 equals 8. What's 6 plus 2? It's 8. So that's on the line. Okay, because you got 8 equals 8. Is 4 minus 1 on this line here? So 3x minus 2y is equal to 14. So 3, instead of x, I'm going to sub in 4 minus 2. Instead of y, I'm going to sub in minus 1 equals 14. Okay, so the 4 in instead of x, the minus 1 in instead of y. Now just multiply this out and see if you get 14 equals 14. 3 times 4 is 12. Minus 2 times minus 1, be careful with that, do it on the calculator if you need to. Minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2. Left hand side then, 12 plus 2 is 14, which is equal to 14. Okay, so that point is on the line. Alright, last one I'll do then is 5, 1 on the line, 2x minus 3y equals 9. So 2 instead of x, I'm going to sub in 5 minus 3. Instead of y, I'm going to sub in 1 equal 9. 2 times 5 is 10. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3 equals 9. 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, 7 is not equal to 9. Okay, so not on the line. Okay, so that's all there is to those ones. So it could be really obvious if it was like x plus y equals 5. It's really clear sometimes to see if a point is on the line. But even if it is really clear, you should do what I'm doing here. Okay, so if you're asked if a point is on a line, substitute it in. Okay, so the x coordinate in for x, the y coordinate in for y, multiply it out, add or subtract whatever on the left hand side. If you get the same thing on both sides, it's on the line. If you get something like this, 7 is not equal to 9, so it's not on the line.